Now we are going to set up your store page. By having your fundamental website content ready before selecting a theme, you will have a clear understanding of which templates that are most suitable for your store. So if you want to create a new page for your store, just simply go to Online Store, Page and click Add Page. And the next step that you have to do is to complete the blank with your page title, content, SEO information, and so on. Well, you don't need to create all pages, but some key pages that you need to create are: firstly, you need a contact page. This page contains your phone number, address, and contact form. Next is About Us page, which provides an overview of your e-commerce business, your value, and your story. And don't forget about the Policy page. This page provides a website term of service page, cookie and privacy policy, refund and shipping policies. Last but not least, FAQ, a page where you answer frequently asked questions about your products. Now let me help you create an example page so that you can understand how to add new page into your store. Now, for instance, I want to create a About Us page. I type About Us in the title here. Then in the content field, I introduce my business here. So we are Majones, which is an e-commerce and digital transformation agency in Vietnam. Founded in 2015, Majones has strived to become one of the best e-commerce digital transformation solution provider in the APAC region. Partnering with the leading technology provider worldwide, Majones offers elite e-commerce development, CRM, ERP, mobile app, cloud hosting, and digital marketing service. We drive success in digital commerce for our client via omni-channel solution, digital enablement, boosting customer experience, and conversion rate optimizations. After finishing the title and the content of text box provided, click Save to save the page. Now that you see my page has been created, go back to your page display in the page section here. If you want to create more page, just click on Add Page button and then do the step again to create new page as you want. And indeed, for this lesson, it is pretty much what I have in mind. With that stated, I want to say a big thank to you for watching, and I will see you in the next video about how to set up navigation menu.